Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Do not attempt hot wiring or bypassing the ignition. Modern Fords have immobilizers and you could cause damage. Instead, remain calm and gather proof of ownership, vehicle registration, and photo ID to present to a technician. Call a licensed automotive locksmith or Ford roadside assistance and verify credentials and insurance before any service begins. Expect a 30 to 90-minute response depending on traffic and distance. Response time varies by provider. Keep your phone charged and your location coordinates ready to relay to the responder. Verify the locksmith is licensed, bonded, and insured before they work on your vehicle. This protects you and the technician. Ask the dispatcher for the technician's name, company phone number, and an estimated arrival time. Ask for a written estimate and expect locksmith costs typically between 0 and 50, depending on whether a new key or on-vehicle programming is required. Request the locksmith to show ID, company information, and an itemized invoice after service is complete, so if you have a spare key, retrieve it or have someone bring it to you to avoid additional programming fees and long waits. Dealers can cut and program transponder keys using your VIN, but you must bring proof of ownership, photo ID, and sometimes the original key. Dealer programming fees vary and can be higher than locksmith rates. Keep all receipts and records of service for warranty, insurance, and future ownership documentation so you can demonstrate lawful access and the work performed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.